I don't know how I can beat your answer because that was too good. That was too good. I will tell you where you are. Do you love me? I love you. I love you, Charlotte. I love you from the moment.
Who's the meanest?
You're overthinking stuff.
No. Girls.
Okay, tell me in the
Yeah.
comments, like, educate me, guys.
Mm.
Like, what is this about? I never heard of this.
I'm done with this shit.
Just the two of us.
Hey guys, welcome to. What? How do I start? Oh my god. So, do you guys know us? Clearly
No.
not. So, we're going to start with who we are. She's already like sweating. Okay, so clearly you guys know who the extrovert and introvert is. And welcome to
Just the two of us show.
Yes. I am Rimi and this is
Nini.
yes. So
Do
we're
you know Blackpink Jennie's name is Nini?
really?
Yeah.
Oh my god. So cool. We love you, Jenny. We love Blackpink.
Yeah.
We love anything K-pop, to be
Blackpink.
honest. Oh my god, I was seeing a whole new side of her. That is so fun. Because clearly this is super fun. Okay, so we are. Why we are doing this?
We don't know.
Clearly. We just thought, like, okay, so what do friends do in their free time?
Start a podcast.
Yes. So we clearly just wanted to do something so spontaneous.
Boring. How's life for you?
Too much happening all at once. But yeah, it's okay. It's good. What do you like about the world right now?
Nothing.
Like, why are people torturing us? Like, it is the Gen Z's day to live and the time to live, and now people are killing each other.
Killing each other.
And like, I don't know, something with Gen Z's and life is just not aligning. Yeah, நம்ம படிக்க ஆரம்பிச்ச உடனே
படிக்க ஆரம்பிச்சோம்னா அது
கோவிட்
கோவிட்
அண்ட் அதுக்கப்புறம் வேலை ஆரம்பிச்ச உடனே ஏஐ
யோசிச்சு பார்த்தா
வச்சு செய்யறாங்க யாரோ. You have any question?
I have a question.
Okay.
ஏன்னா நான் காலையில யோசிச்சுட்டு இருந்தேன்.
Okay.
எனக்கு இது வந்து கொஞ்ச நாள் கழிச்சு பண்ணணும் அந்த மாதிரி a dream that you want to achieve but not now. You want to give it some time.
Okay, very deep question.
அந்த மாதிரி.
Okay, very deep. Some dream that I wanna achieve later in life is be super rich and travel in my Porsche or Porsche or whatever you guys call it. And I don't want to think twice before buying anything. I know materialism is not life and all that, but things give you so much happiness. Like, as in I get a lipstick or like I get anything. So I don't want to think twice before I get something. I want to be very independent also at the same time. Like, I don't want to look back and feel like I wasted my 20s or I wasted my life doing nothing. So I want to travel also. I don't want to do a desk job. That is definitely my dream. Yeah. So what is your dream?
பயங்கரமா சொல்லிட்டேன் இப்ப நான் என் ஆன்சரை யோசிச்சு நான் யோசிக்கிறேன்.
நீ அதை விட பயங்கரமா வச்சிருப்பா இவ. சும்மா சொல்றா guys.
நான் என்ன யோசிச்சேன்னா I want to write a book.
Wow. I told you. I clearly told you guys she has an amazing answer. Great.
Yeah,
I didn't know you wanted
like
to write.
Sally Rooney level.
Whoa.
People
Can't
hate,
relate.
A lot of people hate Sally Rooney.
Okay, who is Sally Rooney?
நீ படிச்சிருக்க மாட்டேன் கண்டிப்பா.
Okay, does she write? What kind of book does she write?
Like our life. Very complicated, messy,
deep, very deep.
அந்த மாதிரி எழுதுவாங்க.
Okay.
அந்த மாதிரி எனக்கு ஒன்று எழுதணும்னு ஆசை.
Great. I never knew she wanted to write a book, guys.
I've always wanted to write a book.
It's just so amazing. I really wish like I would want to read a book. Author Harini.
நல்லா தான் இருக்கு.
Good luck. Guys, if you see any book in the future named author by like whatever, Harini, do read it.
Silly things that made you cry. I have something so silly.
Oh my god, then you tell me first.
இந்த சூப்பர் பவுல் நடந்துச்சுல,
ஆமா.
பேட் பண்ணி பெர்ஃபார்ம்.
Yeah.
அந்த கடைசி இந்த பெர்ஃபார்மன்ஸோட எண்டிங்ல எல்லா அமெரிக்கன் அந்த கண்ட்ரிஸா ஸ்டேட்டா
State.
எல்லாத்தையும் ஒன்னொன்னா கான்பிடென்ட்
The hate you're going to get for this. Don't bully us.
கண்ட்ரிஸ்ன்னு நினைக்கிறேன் ஸ்ரீ.
America is the country.
No, America is not the only country in America.
Oh,
have a
like you
lot of
mean
other
South
countries.
America, North America, like that.
Mm.
Okay, not. Yeah, okay.
அந்த கண்ட்ரிஸ் எல்லாம் ஒன்னொன்னா he named
In the
it.
continent, North America, you okay, like Mexico
Correct.
and
அந்த மாதிரி,
okay,
அந்த மாதிரி.
Canada.
Mm.
Okay,
அந்த மாதிரி he named every country.
okay.
And கடைசியில வந்து he said something usually. அந்த இதெல்லாம் சொன்னோன்னா லைக் நாம எல்லாரும் தான் அமெரிக்கா அப்படின்னு சொன்னோன்னா that's the first thing I saw in the morning.
Oh,
And I cried.
okay.
Mm.
I don't know how I can beat your answer because that was too good. That was too good. So, say things that make me cry. That made me cry in the recent past.
Silly thing.
I don't know. Somebody at work like stole my pen,
Mm.
and I was so annoyed by it because like
Mm.
you can't find a pen
Mm.
at your workplace because somebody you just keep your phone also there, nobody will steal it.
Mm.
But if you keep a pen somewhere, pakka it is gone. And it like was so overwhelming for me that I lost a pen because that was like the second pen or something I got, and that made me cry. Yeah.
Valid crashes தான்.
Yes. Say
Dialogue from a movie
that's stuck in your head.
ever since you watched it. Stand with you between the heavens and the earth.
I will tell you where you are. Do you love me?
I love you.
I love you, Charlotte. I love you from the moment. I love you from the moment.
Try to get over the wall. இல்ல இப்ப நம்ம யூஃபோரியா பத்தி பேசிட்டு இருந்தோம்ல,
Okay.
அதுல வந்து அந்த பூல் சீன் ஒண்ணு வரும்.
Okay.
அதுல நீ பாத்துட்டு இல்ல, you know this is
I want to have your babies.
அதுதான்.
I've seen that, yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Right poem.
Is the Bridgerton season 2 I burned for you?
I burn for you like season.
Oh
one
shit!
இல்லையா?
No! Like you are the object of all my desires and the bane of my existence. That one. Sorry, not burn for you. Sorry.
பரவாயில்ல.
Anthony and Kate. One thing about your
Best friends.
best friends, you hate. All my girl best friends don't come at us. You tell about each other or we tell about any other friend?
In general.
Girl best friends. What? I don't know. This is including me. We tend to make guys the center of our.
அப்படியா? I don't think we do that.
We don't.
But
all we talk about is guys.
அது உண்மைதான் ஸ்ரீ. But I don't.
I mean, we don't make them our center of our life. But something that girls do, I get really annoyed because that is one thing I hate.
Maybe like இப்போ நம்ம புதுசா யாரையாச்சும் like starting to talk someone new, அப்போ அது ரொம்ப அதே பத்தி நம்ம பேசுற மாதிரி இருக்கும். ஆனா கொஞ்ச நாள் போனா
ஆமா, we don't
மாதிரி.
Yeah. Like never let a man demotivate you or something like that. And one more thing also I hate is that like doing something for attention. For guys attention. For example, no, you can go to up to a level, but certain level later I feel it's like too desperate. Yeah, that kind. And then even for a man, like talking in a squeaky voice, all are okay, understandable. Like you can talk in a squeaky voice, all that, but not after a certain limit. You keep that inside.
Especially in front of us. Like Get your shit together.
Yeah, like we know you from in and out, and then
Mm.
you go on to do something like this for like attention. No. So yeah.
One celebrity you would actually lose your mind if you get to see them in person.
Okay. So I think one is JK from BTS. I would love to see him. I would probably faint if I see him in person. And second one is my favorite. Like I'm a very big cricket fan, and I love Virat Kohli. I'm a huge Virat Kohli fan. So if I see him, probably I'll just lose my mind there.
எனக்கு Taylor Swift.
Girl, be like that itself, girl. It's okay, oh, you repeat it. Yeah, oh my god. Mother Swift.
Yes.
Like, imagine she watches this.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Imagine if she likes this video.
Oh yeah,
I would not sleep.
I would lose my I will go like yap around to everyone and like till they get bored of it until they like be like shut up. I would tell everyone. Yes.
One movie or show you would want to watch for the love of your life, but you can only watch it one time. Like only that movie
Okay.
and nothing else.
I think Modern Family. It's the most amazing sitcom ever,
நான் பார்த்ததில்ல.
but it's too good.
பார்க்கிறேன்.
கண்டிப்பா பார்க்கணும். Like Modern Family is the best according to me. If உனக்கு
எனக்கு நிறைய இருக்கு ஸ்ரீ. ஆனா ஒரு ஷோ முன்னாடி சொன்ன அபிலவ் சம்மர்னு ஆனா இப்போ யோசிச்சா ஃபர்ஸ்ட்
yeah, it's very
I
cute.
would do anything to watch it again.
Yeah.
ஒரு ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டைம் பார்க்குற மாதிரி ஃபீலிங் ஆகுது.
Yeah. First Class is a Chinese drama adapted from almost to real life story. Okay. How do you usually find out that I'm upset or mad about something?
நீ பேசுறதே வச்சே கண்டுபிடிச்சிடலாம்.
Okay.
நீ ஏன் சொல்லலன்னா ஃபேஸ்லயே தெரிஞ்சிரும்.
Yes. உனக்கு வந்து silence. Silence is the answer that
guilty as charged.
Harini is super pissed and she wouldn't talk to you properly for like some hours and you'll just figure okay her silence is the answer for that. Do you cry when you're angry?
என் மேல தப்பே இல்லைனாலும் அழுதுருவேன்.
Yeah. I think every girl on this planet, some point or the other, where you felt like super anger, that like when insane rage comes, no, like you just wanna like cry. True.
Biggest red flag you've completely ignored in someone?
It's going to take a long time, I guess. I don't think I have an answer for that.
இது ரெட் ஃபிளாகான்னு தெரியல. ஆனா when they say that you're not like other girls, you're different from them.
That is a red flag?
That is a red flag. That's a huge red flag.
What? This is news to me.
நிஜமா ஸ்ரீ?
How come that's a red flag?
அது எப்படி சொல்றதுன்னா like you're different from others itself is like an insult. Like I'm exactly like the other girls. Like I don't know, bro.
Okay. Maybe you're overthinking stuff.
No. Girls.
Okay, tell me in the comments, like educate me, guys. Like, what is this about? I never heard of this. I don't know. I don't think I still can come up with something that is I have ignored as a red flag. Maybe like a dining table etiquette or that is such a red flag.
Like the way he eats, the way he breathes, and the way
no, like probably like don't chew your food close in your mouth.
அதெல்லாம் basic ஸ்ரீ.
Like, that is such a red flag to me. I don't know why. Like not having any etiquette.
And when they make a sound while
Eating or chewing. No, yeah, it's such a
irritating
thing.
But you have ignored it as a red flag.
Oh no. Girl, I completely misunderstood the question. Oh my god. Because I don't have an answer. One celebrity you think would be great friends and fun to hang out
with.
I think for me, It's we.
I think RM and I would be great friends.
I think we like just the silliness and the
Mm.
weirdness that he does. Like he cannot sit still without doing something silly, and that's
Mm.
so fun. Like for me, being so rigid and like that is so fun. I feel I would enjoy that.
RM and I, like, we have similar things. Like, we're both
Okay.
clumsy as fuck. And we took a driver's lesson very late. I don't even know how to ride a bicycle. And RM only took a driver's lesson now.
Recently, yeah. After his military service.
எனக்கும் ஆரம்புக்கு நிறைய similar stuff இருக்கு ஸ்ரீ. So we'd be
If
great
you're
friends.
watching RM,
Yeah.
we love you, BTS. Oh my god, I love you guys so much.
Mm.
Though I'm new to all this, like last year was my introduction to all of this, and I accidentally. So there's a huge story behind me finding BTS, and I guess we'll have that one day on our show. It's a very interesting story. Okay.
இங்க தமிழ் மலையாளம் South Indian cinema or like
Okay.
Bollywood also. யாராச்சும் ஒருத்தர் you would be best friends with or
I'm
fun
going
to hang out.
Nazria?
Yeah.
I think she's fun. No? Nazria would be fun.
யார் தமிழ் சினிமா
Tamil.
I thought of Sai Abhyankar.
I know.
He's an introvert and
But
stuck
he's
in a studio all the time. But I don't know if he'd be able to have fun.
But I think he's fun. He has like a good, like because he's an introvert, no? Like the stuff he does it like makes you laugh. Because I have watched like very few little kuti reels of his interviews and like all that, and the answers he gives and all is like super funny. I think he'll be fun. So welcome to Rapid Fire Round at Just the Two of Us show.
Yes.
Just the two of us. First question.
I'll go. Who's the meanest?
Me. Yeah. She was kind of nice. Most like I can't see because I don't have my glasses. I am a glass girly. Most likely to get into a fight. Me. Yeah. Me again.
Yeah.
I think everything is directed at me on some way. Like she's
Most
picked
emotional.
Oh my god. She's picked these questions deliberately.
So I guess சும்மா ஸ்ரீ இந்த ஐடியா எனக்கு நீ மார்னிங் தான் வச்சு இது நான் எடுத்து 1 month ஆச்சு ஸ்ரீ.
Okay. Most likely to do weird things in public. You. 3 times she means I'm going to hit this. Yes. Most likely to break someone's heart. I think
We both.
yeah. We're meanos in that way.
Who's the funniest? Do we think I'm funny?
Yeah.
I'm funny?
Yes. Yay. She's funny, guys. She's funny. Like a lot of her texts make me laugh so loud. At work it says, yeah. Yes. Rapid fire. Mudinja. That's it? We're wrapping up?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm done with this shit. Just kidding, guys. No, I'm not.
She had the most fun, clearly, because this is something new for her to talk so much.
கரெக்ட் தானா இவ்வளவு நாளா இத போஸ்ட்போன் பண்ணதுன்னு யோசிச்சா நான் தான்.
No, both
But
of
this
us.
is kind of funny.
It's fun. I
Yeah,
think
it's
like
fun.
talking our hearts out and just asking each other so much and getting to know each other.
Yeah.
And
But I never once made eye contact with the camera.
I saw that. I
Yeah.
clearly saw that. I kept talking to you guys.
I'll get there.
Yes, we
I'll
wish
get
her. So this is just episode 1. So we're just starting out and we're like, okay, we'll come closer.
Yes.
And we just want to say thank you so much for watching until the
Watching
end. Yeah.
Yeah.
Whoever made it to the end, we love you so much.
Love you so much. Like you have no idea, bro. I love you so much.
Yes, like we really do like you guys, and do let us know what we need to like improve. Oh my god, I keep hitting something. And yeah.
Sorry. Okay, bye.
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 See you in the next episode.
Ta-da.
Ta-da.